Hi, I'm Joe from Lineup Ninja, and I'm going to look at how you can save yourself a ton of time when you want to get your presentations to your AV team and also ensure that they've always got the most up-to-date version. And we're going to do it by using the Agenda app. Okay, so this is like the attendee version of the Agenda app for my demo show. And as you can see, we've got various different navigation items on here. So you can see things like the agenda, the timetable, list of the speakers, and so on. And as you're navigating around here, if you click on one of these sessions, it brings up a little pop-up that's got information about the session on it, and it allows the user to save it to their Outlook and so on. You can also have social sharing and all that kind of stuff on there. But what I want to do is create a separate version of the Agenda app, and we're going to configure it differently so it's got the information that's useful to the AV team and doesn't have the stuff they don't need. Okay, so in my other window over here, I've created my crew version of the Agenda app. And instead of having all of these navigation items for like agenda, timetable, and so on, they've literally just got a list of the locations or the theatres. So you give them the link to this, they can come here and they can say, right, well, I'm the AV person for the marketing theatre or innovation zone. They click on there, and this basically brings up a running order of the sessions. If we look at the pop-up that you're giving the attendees, you're showing them the session title, description, where and when it's going to happen, which track it belongs to, allows them to save it to their calendar, and it tells them about the speakers and so on. I've configured my crew version to show different information. So in this example, it's still got what time it is and where it's going to happen. But now I've also published the slide decks here as well. So the AV team, they can just come in here, open up this session, download the attached files. They can see who the speaker is if you want them to. And here I'm also showing them the bio for the speaker as well. But also I can show them in here what resources have been requested for that session. So critically, HDMI connector to the projector. And then also down here in the bottom, we've got notes for the session. So these are internal notes that are written for the AV team, which are saved against the session in Lineup Ninja. So here it's explaining to the AV team, this session will have several speakers who will each come on stage, blah, blah, blah. And also they've been told that there will be an HDMI connection to the projector. So this is all kind of internal notes, but you can share them via the Agenda app. So you can tailor it for your crew, for your AV crew. And then that means that if you make any changes, like changes to the running order, you make those changes in Lineup Ninja and then just click publish, and that will update all the things like session timings. Similarly, if a speaker gives you a last minute change of the version of their slides, that's the one that's in here, which your AV team can navigate to here and download the latest version of the slides from here. So it saves you having to export all of your slides to a big zip file and sharing that to the AV team. They can literally just come in here, download the latest version straight from Lineup Ninja, from the source. Okay, hope that's useful. Good luck planning your events.